I find that unbelievably interesting. Braille in different languages. But when you think about it, it makes complete sense.
Gwrs.
Yeah, diddorol iawn. Diddorol. And talking about diddorol, nodyn Nia.
Very diddorol for you today.
Diddorol, diolch.
Well, o'n i'n meddwl heddiw, I'd go easy on you, right? It's Sul y Mamau, Mother's Day.
Yeah, let's relax.
So just relax. So we're going to do some iaith around the family members. We'll just go through the family members, iawn?
Okay.
Ond oeddet ti'n gwybod that Mother's Day, Sul y Mamau, is quite a recent thing, but it comes from the time when people used, in the Middle Ages, when people used to go and visit the Mother Church yn ystod y grawys, Lent, grawys. Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so that's why they called it Mother's Day, because it was about visiting the Mother Church. And it later became Sul y Meibion, but Meibion actually means sons now, but it meant sons and daughters. So it was when sons and daughters would go home and visit their mothers.
No
way.
That's
where it comes from. Well,
a bit of history knowledge there for you all.
Yeah.
There we go.
Full of pethau bach diddorol.
That is diddorol, diolch yn fawr.
Right, y teulu.
Y teulu.
Family.
Good show,
okay. Yeah. Beth am ni'n weld ar y sgrin. Right, we're going to start with, Mam.
Tad.
Tad.
Which sounds weird because it's like dad.
Dad, yeah.
Tad,
And
yeah.
then you're dad. Tad is like father and dad.
Yeah.
Merch, mab.
Mab.
So daughter and son. So merch can mean daughter, but it can also mean girl. You know, just a girl. Chwaer brawd means
sister and brother.
Sister and brother.
Yeah, I've got it.
And I thought I'd just go through the family members.
Thank you.
Nesa?
Nain, nan.
Nine.
Taid.
Taid. O yn y gogledd, nine.
Nine.
Which means nan. O yn y de ar gorllewin, mam gi.
Mam gi.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it, mam gi?
Yeah, it's cute.
Ki, fel deer.
And taid, tydki?
Taid, tydki.
Tydki, yeah, okay.
Taid and
That's what I'm
tydki.
aware of with grandparents.
And if you're ever in trouble, always ffonio 999.
Oh, 3 nans.
That's what I do. Iawn te. Wyres.
Wyres.
Beth ydi wyres? Wyres. Granddaughter.
Granddaughter, okay. Wyres.
So, wyr
Wyr.
is grandson.
Yeah.
And wyrion is the plural. Grandchildren.
Grandchildren.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oes brawd neu chwaer gyda ti?
Oes.
Oes. Beth?
Brawd Adam.
Uh-huh.
Chwaer Emily.
Adam ac Emily.
Yeah.
Ac mae gen i un brawd. Dylan.
Dylan.
Yeah.
Siamai Dylan.
Dyna fo. Dylech chi gyd yn gwybod if mwy amdano ni. Right, nesa. Modryb ac Ewerth. Modryb ac Ewerth. Any ideas?
Auntie, uncle?
Yeah, da iawn.
Yeah, that was a sweet guess.
Imagine your auntie dressed up as a mod.
Why?
And you can see her ribs. Modryb.
What?
I don't know.
Modryb
Ewerth. Cyfnither, cefnder. So cousin. So yn Saesneg, just cousin. Can be male or female. Ond yn Gymraeg, female cousin, male cousin.
Ah. Cefnither. Cefnder.
Cefnder. Yeah.
It's a difficult one to say if you've got a blocked nose. Cefnder.
Like I have always. Iawn te. Niece a nai. What do you think that is?
Niece. Nephew.
Yeah.
Niece. Nai.
Niece.
So niece is the female. Niece. Nephew. Nai. Nai. I've got a nai. Luke.
Got a nai? Oes.
Have you got a nai?
No, I haven't got a nai, but I've got a little niece. Hello, Leila Wyn.
Hello. Hello, Leila Wyn. Siamai. Siamai. Well, that's good. That's helpful. Now we know the family tree.
Yeah, and I know a little bit more about you.
Now we're going to go from one wers to another because Hevin and Liz have the HMI around. What is that?
Uh-oh, Her Majesty's Inspectors.
Oh!
Ouch.